Assimilation Mode 3.0. You will master the basics of the audio settings for a DSLR camera. Information download begins now. We are Control. You will be assimilated or you will be eliminated.
Not while I'm still in town.
We were able to capture the notorious Indiana James to help translate this information into human terms. Begin now.
There's a basic microphone built into these cameras. However, it's a factory mic, so it's not the best in the world. But if you can control your settings and your environment around you, you can still pick up some really good audio. As a beginner, keep the camera set to A for automatic settings. This will allow the camera to adjust the sound automatically. In menu, under sound recording, you have the options to turn the sound on or off. If the sound is off, the mic won't pick up any audio, so keep it on for now. With automatic settings on, the camera will automatically raise the level of the mic when it's quiet and lower the levels when it's loud. For beginners, stick with this setting until you feel more comfortable to move on. If you want to control your audio settings, you need to turn the automatic settings onto a manual setting. P, TV, AV, or M. These are your creative zone modes. I'll be delving further into these settings in future tutorials. Switch to one of these settings and then go to Menu Settings. Click on Sound Recording. Here you have the options to keep the mic settings on auto, or you can manually change the settings to your liking. You can even disable the mic altogether. Use the wheel to scroll down to record level and hit Set. This will allow you to change the decibel levels. Understanding decibels and even the basics of sound is extremely complex. I will be delving further into audio in future tutorials. This will allow you to know how loud or soft something is being recorded so you can make the proper adjustments. For now, our goal is to keep our audio levels around -12 decibels. Here is an example of audio too low. Notice that the audio level is between -40 and -12 decibels. George Lucas once said, "The sound and music are 50% of the entertainment in a movie." Notice that this example of the audio from -12 to 0, the audio is starting to clip, or you might refer to it as spiking. George Lucas once said that the sound and music are 50% of the entertainment in a movie. This is an example of perfect audio. George Lucas once said that the sound and music are 50% of the entertainment in a movie. Once you understand the basics of audio settings on the DSLR camera, you will be able to take your filmmaking to another level. We don't have much time. You want to learn? Come with me. Hurry. Okay. What Control doesn't know is you can actually set those audio levels in your viewfinder. So when you're recording, you'll actually be able to see the decibel levels that you're currently filming at. The only issue with that is the older cameras, like the T3i, the T5i, the Rebel T6S even, they don't have this feature. However, the EOS 6D and above, they do. Every little bit of information that we learn weakens Control's ability over us. Let's keep learning together, and we can take Control out from the inside. Wait. What was that? The frequency is failing. We gotta go. Let's move. Hurry. Now, back to Control.
This concludes Assimilation Mode 3.0, mastering the basics of the audio settings for a DSLR camera. Like this tutorial and subscribe so the assimilation process will become more agreeable with your biological system. Leave a comment below to help us better understand the human brain to improve these assimilation tutorials. Please move on to the following assimilation tutorial 4.0. Begin now.